Hi, I'm Deathlake. In this video I'm going to be doing a miniature haul from Modes4u, the about 2 re-ments during the Chinese New Year special offer thing, which they said is a free gift within this pouch, which is their regular tape that they give for free with every purchase normally, but in a red pouch. Happy News, and this is slightly crooked, along with their business card. So the options is the campsite, which has a flask, cup, bag thing, a table, soup, preparation, fishing, they're all so cute, cooking, tent, curry, astronomical observation with a little telescope, and then the drugstore options are, so this is what the drugstore one looks like. The drugstore option is washing, catching a cold, I've hopefully not got a cold, wound medicine for bath, little cute ones, for trip, kitchen, bestseller, vinyl, and this is what it looks like on the outside. Swoosh. Oops. Gonna start with this one. Okay, hopefully, let's see what this could be. It'll be very unlucky if it is a double. Come on, let's see. Oh, so cute. So this is what it looks like. Little, I don't know what the character's called. Little poot. I'm assuming this goes in this. Yes. So that goes together. No, that goes together, yeah. Oh, there you go. Oh yes, that box also came with this piece of paper. Oh, it's a mat, which is probably going to be similar, but whichever this is the sound. Oh yeah, that's good, that is different. Like need different parts. Up next is this box. Let's see what this box is. It's the sound. Okay. Piece of paper looks like. Oh, so it looks like it's this one, number 5. Oh, it looks like I've set up the boxes. packets. Went ahead and glued them together, so this is what it looks like. That's what this looks like.